Welcome to all. Myself Dr. Shivakumar, Professor, Department of Mechanical Engineering. In this video, I am going to teach you how to solve homogeneous linear partial differential equation with constant quotient. Consider an example: d cube minus 7d d dash square minus 6 d dash cube of z equal to sin x plus 2y. First, we have to write the auxiliary equation. Shortly called as AE. Put d equal to m and d dash equal to 1. So the equation is modified as m cube minus 7m into 1 square 1 and 6 into 1 cube 6 equal to 0. I am writing in this format: m cube plus 0m square minus 7m minus 6 equal to 0. Now we have to solve this equation. For solving this equation, you can use scientific calculator like CASIFX 991MS. Just press mode 3 times. Then we can see that equation, matrix and vector. Equation is first one. So press 1. Then it will show unknowns 2 and 3. But here we have to solve third order equation. So press the right button and that degree 3, that is third degree equation. So press 3. So the calculator will ask a equal to what? So that is m cube quotient 1. Then press equal to. The calculator will ask b equal to what? Press 0. Then press equal to c equal to what? That is coefficient of m minus 7. And then press equal to d equal to what? You have to give the value d minus 6. So one value is 3. And then press equal to, we get minus 2 and press equal to m3 equal to minus 1. So the complementary function for this type of equation is shortly write CF, that is complementary function. So phi equal to, the formula is f1 of y plus m1x plus f2 of y plus m2x, then f3 of y plus m3x. Here we must note that the three roots are different and distinct. So the formula for CF is f1 of y plus m1x plus f2 of y plus m2x and f3 of y plus m3x. So CF equal to m1 here 3, so y plus 3x and f2 of m2 minus 2, so y minus 2x plus f3 of m3 minus 1, so y minus 6. This is the complementary function. Next step, we have to find the particular integral, that is PA. PA means particular integral. I will explain a shortcut for this problem. what we called as Pi, which is equal to 1 by d cube minus 7d d dash square of sin x plus 2y. So in the shortcut we have to use d coefficient of x. Here coefficient of x is 1 and d dash coefficient of y. Here coefficient of y is 2. So particular integral is equal to 1 divided by 1 cube minus 7 into 1 into 2 square minus 6 into 2 cube into we have to integrate thrice. 3 times we have to integrate. That is triple integral sin u du du du, where u equal to x plus 2y. So which is equal to 1 divided by 1 minus 28, 7 into 4 28, minus 6 into 2 cube is 8, so 48, into, now we have to find this value. So when you integrate sin u one time, it will become cos u. So du du. So again 2 times we have to integrate. So 1 by this value minus 76 plus 1 minus 75. Again integral cos u sin u. Integral cos u d equal to sin u. This minus sign is already present. So minus sin u d. So which is equal to minus 1 by 75. Again integral sin u, we get minus cos u. So minus into minus plus. So cos u, which can be written as minus 1 by 75. Here we have to substitute the u value, cos x plus 2y. This is the particular integral. Then the general solution is z equal to cf plus particular. Just add this cf and particular integral. So this is very shortcut method and time saving method. But we have to clearly understand this must be a homogeneous partial differential equation. That is the order of d and d dash is same. Here 3, here d1 and d dash. So summation of 1 plus 2 equal to 3. Here d dash power is equal to 3. For this condition, we can easily apply this shortcut method. Thank you. I hope you understood. Have a pleasant day. Summarize this topic. We have to solve this equation d cube minus 7d d dash square minus 6 d dash cube of z equal to sin x plus 2y. So the first step, we have to write the auxiliary equation. For that, take d equal to m and d dash equal to 1. So the equation is modified as m cube minus 7m minus 6 equal to 0. It can be written as m cube plus 0 m square. Since m square coefficient is not available here, 0 m square minus 7m minus 6 equal to 0. For solving this, we can use scientific calculator that I already explained. We get 3 different m values, 3 different roots. m1 equal to 3, m2 equal to minus 2 and m3 equal to minus 2. You can also write in ascending order, descending order, any way. So the complementary function cf equal to, for 3 distinct roots, you have the formula f1 of y plus m1x plus f2 of y plus m2x plus f3 of y plus m3x. Now substituting the value m1, m2, m3, we get f1 of y plus 3x plus f2 of y minus 2x plus f3 of y minus x. The next step, we have to find the particular integral. That means pi. For that, take the reciprocal 1 divided by, write the equation d cube minus 70 d dash square minus 6 d dash cube into sin x plus 2y. So the major concept of shortcut in this problem is, take d is equal to coefficient of x, here 1, and d dash equal to coefficient of y, here 2. In ordinary method we follow another type, that is d square equal to minus a square, like that we will do, but here that method you no need to use. Just directly take d and d dash and substitute d equal to 1, so 1 cube minus 7 into 1 into 2 square minus 6 into 2 cube, and the important concept is the order degree is 3, we have to integrate triple, that is triple integration we have to do. Take sin u du du du, where u equal to x plus 2y. On simplification, 1 divided by 1 cube minus 28 minus 48, 6 and 8, 48. Here one time integration means integral sin u. So integral sin u we know minus cos u. So again it adheres to that double integrals du and du. So this value is 1 minus 76. So 1 by minus 75, and integrate this value. Integral minus cos u du. This minus sign you keep it outside. So integral cos u sin u. So minus sin u du. Then minus 1 by 75. Integral sin u we know that minus cos u. So minus into minus plus. So it will come cos u. Then which is equal to minus 1 by 75. Then substitute cos u equal to x plus 2y here. Then write the general solution. Z equal to complementary function plus particular. Just add this value and this value. So this is the answer. Thank you. Thanks for watching.